Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Arturia complete ultimate bundle on your Mac M1, M2 and Intel. I got my download from extraplugins.com. They're a really amazing website out there. They offer lifetime activation and access to download, feature-free updates, full version, instant download with 24/7 live chat support. That's mean if you're having some issue, they're gonna help you right away. You can check the reviews as well right here. And overall this is amazing website. So after you got your download from extraplugins.com, the first thing you need to do is run the software center. Double click on the key icon and type your Mac password and hit enter. Once it says the process completed, you can close this one and then go to the FX folder and open the FX collection DMG and install all of them one by one. Alright, once the installation is done for FX collection, the next thing we need to do is install the instruments. Let's start with the first one and install it. Alright, we are done with the installation for everything, and now the next step we have to do is install the SoundBanks. For that, open the DMG for the SoundBanks and copy this folder. The next step is head to go, then go to folder and /library and paste that folder right here. This may take up to 10 minutes, so we have to wait for this. Alright, once you see this window, you have to click on the merge, just like that, and type your Mac password and hit enter. Alright, as you can see, it may take few more moments. Alright, once this is done, you can close that and close this as well. And now the next and final step is license. Go to the license folder. First go to the FX license folder, and now you have to open the terminal. For that, search terminal in the search bar, and once the terminal is open, you have to type S and H, then hit spacebar on your keyboard, just like that. As you can see, I just hit the spacebar and I got some space here. After that, drag and drop the license file into the terminal and hit enter. Now double click on the key icon and type your Mac password and hit enter again. Alright, this may take few moments to apply license to all of the plugins. Alright, once you can see done right here, that's mean it's actually done. So after that, we need to move to the next step, which is the instruments license. For that, alright, now you have to run the license manager just like that, and then type 50 and hit enter. Now double click on the key icon and type your Mac password and hit enter. Now just leave it alone, and this may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So just don't do anything and let it do its own work. Alright, once it says the process completed, you can close this one and close everything, and now you have to restart your computer. Alright, after restarting your computer, you can actually start using the plugins. So I'm going to test them in my DAW Ableton. Alright, we can see all the plugins right here. Oh, there's a lot of them. So let's start with the first one. There we go. We got the Analog Lab 5 right here. Perfect. Now let's try another one. Alright, amazing. Let's try one more. Alright, it's also working. Amazing, it's works as well. Let's try some FX. Amazing. Alright, it's working as well. Let's try this one. Alright, as you can see, everything is working and everything is in full version, and this is a lifetime activation. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.